Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and another unboxing. As you can see in front of me, I've got the January edition of Degustabox. I was subscribed to Degustabox for a long time, on and off since 2015, but I've not had one for well over a year because I found that the products were just mundane and it weren't the sort of thing that I was enjoying, and I'd rather spend the money on actually going out and buying new products to try. But I thought I would start again, and I subscribed right at the beginning of this month and the box arrived around 2 days ago. So I thought I'd film an unboxing and put it on my channel for everyone to see what I got. So I will go through everything in the box, and there will be a matching blog post on my blog, which is always linked down below. So hopefully by the time this is live on my channel, there'll also be the matching blog post up too if you want more information about the products. So it comes in a box like this, and I'm trying to not show my address, but it always comes with a card which says what the items are, which I'll read from. And then, so the first thing is this Wild Planet. Our wildly good promise, wildly good for the planet, wildly good for you, wildly good taste. So it is the Wild Planet Albacore Wild Tuna Steak, 100% tuna and nothing else, no added salt. I really like the look of that, and on the list it says that this costs £3.49. Then the second item is this Pulsing Natural Vanilla Flavour Complete Protein Powder. So you put this in milk and you put it in a shaker or in a smoothie and you drink it basically. I've never had anything by Pulsing before, but it's a brand that I've seen and wanted to try, so I'm very happy that's in there, and I'm glad it's vanilla because I love a lot of vanilla flavoured things. And that would cost $1.99 to buy. Next item is this Latin America Kitchen Santa Maria Colombian Crunchy Chicken Bite Seasoned Corn Coating. So you basically cover your chicken in this. It sounds nice, and to purchase this full price is 90p. The next item is a Lighter Life Shake in Vanilla Velvet. That sounds amazing. I believe Lighter Life is when on 2 days of the week you have, I think it's 4 meal replacements a day, so 4 of these, or you know, they do snacks as well. And then on 5 days you eat normally. So that comes to £2.49 for one of them. These are sold at Superdrug and they're normally on half price as well if you wanted to try it. And then there is another one, so you get 2 of these in the box, so you also get the strawberry passion flavour as well, which sounds really good as well. Next is this by the same brand as that coating, Latin American Kitchen Santa Maria Chipotle Mayo Topping. I do like mayo. I'm not a massive spicy fan, but because this is creamy, it's probably going to be very nice, so I'm looking forward to trying that as well. And full price, that is only £1.80, so it's reasonably priced. The next item is this Tabasco green pepper sauce. I've never seen this before. I don't even like the normal Tabasco sauce and I don't have it, but this says our mildest sauce, so I'm presuming it's quite mild. On the back it says dress your salad, enjoy it unsparingly. Drizzle over seafood, fish and seafood after cooking, stir through guacamole and dips for a deliciously tangy twist. So it can be added to various items, I guess. So I'll probably try it, but it's not the sort of thing I would pick up. Next is a Pulsing bar in vanilla choc chip. I have wanted to try these before, and I do get to try them now. I have started to drink a protein milkshake every day, not because of exercise, just because I don't get enough protein. So this, if it'll have a focus, this is a really nice addition to the box, and this costs £1.59 for that. Next is Clipper, 10 bags of our everyday organic tea, and there is a 50p off coupon in the box, and this says it's a free sample or a gift sample, so there's no price, and I do like tea. I actually have a tea bag cupboard downstairs, so this will go in my collection. The next item is this Mate 100% natural sparkling iced tea. I love iced tea, so this is going to definitely go straight in the fridge because I love iced tea and it's very refreshing. I've never seen this brand before, but it comes in an absolutely gorgeous blue bottle. That is £1.49 full price. The next item is this Hershey's Cookies and Cream 5 snack size. I've tried a fair bit of American candy before and it's not as sweet as our candy or our chocolate, which is always good. And it's £1 for a pack of 5, which I think is pretty reasonable. The next item is this Jordan's Fusilli Juicy Red Berries bar. I've actually just bought a box of these, which you would have seen in a food haul about a week or so ago. There's meant to be 2 in the box, but there's only 1. And they're 45p each, but as I said, I only received 1 of them, so I might have to email Degustabox about that. The next item is Explore Cuisine High Protein and High Fibre Organic Edamame and Mung Bean Fettuccine. I like to try things that are like different, like courgette and butternut squash pasta and things like that, so this is going to be very interesting. I do eat edamame beans, like I snack on them, so I'm really looking forward to giving this a try. It does look super tasty, so I'll be giving that a try very soon, I'm sure, and that costs £3 full price. There is another pulsing bar, even though it only says there's 1 in the box, so that's a bit of a surprise that there's 2. That makes up for there only being 1 of the Jordan Fusilli bars, so I won't complain about that because this is worth more money. I'm hoping I like it. Now I've got 2 of them. And the final item comes in bubble wrap, and it's a glass bottle, and ooh, that sounds nice. It is Jordan's Pressed Pear and Elderflower Fruit Cordial. I don't drink a lot of cordials, but I normally drink the one that is by, is it Bellevue, and it's quite expensive, and I do like Ribena, but I don't tend to buy it often. But this sounds pretty amazing, so I am definitely looking forward to that. So that is the complete contents of this month's Degustabox. If you enjoyed the unboxing, let me know down below, and I will do another one next month because I'm going to stay subscribed for the time being until I get a bad box. As I said, there will be a review up on my blog. It will definitely be up by the time this video goes live, so if you want more information, please check that out. And I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye!